Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Praneeth Talks. So in this video I am going to show you which guest came to my home, that is fish arrived to my home. So there are two reasons to bring this fish to my home. So first reason, I love pets, that is probably dogs and fishes. So no dogs are allowed in my apartment, so my parents probably accepted for this fish. And second reason, I love fishes, I love to pet them and I love fishes. So these are the two reasons. So I just want to show my fishes, which is that it is goldfish, and I'll just show you my fish. Thank you guys.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than